Hello guys, my name is Martin Elias. I'm here to show you video you can learn anything from JavaScript. First you start to put HTML and CSS. HTML you write shift 1, then that put enter, then second page to learn close body close and HTML. There we show how you can learn. So we come here to it and then you can in any money can put 5 and $50 and it up there. You are not going to get service.